US don bomb Iran and President Donald Trump dey happy say na bullseye target dem achieve, but Iran don dey vex say dem no go keep quiet. Even analysts don tok say Iran don get excuse now to do nuclear weapon if dem never do am before. No be small wahala dey happen for di world now, and many pipo dey fear say dis one fit bring World War III. Na PidginToriGlobal be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter the gist for today. US President Donald Trump don dey celebrate say dem hit Iran nuclear sites like bullseye. E call di strike monumental, but US say dem still no fit confirm di full damage wey di attack cause. Trump even suggest say if Iran government no sabi make di country better, maybe time don reach for new leaders to take over. Iran UN ambassador no gree. E accuse US say na war dem dey find under wetin e call nonsense excuse. Whereas one reporter warn say Trump and im aides dey send mixed signals about Iran leadership and e fit put US soldiers for Middle East inside danger. As all dis ones dey happen, Israel don carry out one heavy overnight attack on Iran military sites, but Iran reply with just one missile. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio don tell China make dem warn Iran make dem no block Strait of Hormuz, one big oil road wey 20% of world oil dey pass through. Rubio tok dis one after Iran parliament approve motion to close di strait, but final say still dey with dia top security council. Rubio warn say if Iran block di route, e go cause big wahala for economy, especially as oil price don already jump reach highest since January. Brent crude oil hit $78.89 per barrel. China go feel am pass as dem be Iran biggest oil customer. Dem dey buy over 1.8 million barrels per day. Countries like India, Japan and South Korea dey also depend on oil wey dey pass di strait. Rubio tell reporters say China suppose act sharp because to close di strait go be economic suicide for Iran and e go scatter other countries' economy too. Energy experts like Saul Kavonic and Vandana Hari say Iran no get anything to gain if dem close di strait. Instead, dem go vex Gulf neighbors and risk wahala with China. US don beef up defense for Middle East side, ready for any counter move, but oil prices fit still go higher if matter escalate pass like dis. Pipo from different corners of di world don enter street dey protest against President Donald Trump decision to bomb Iran nuclear sites. From France to Pakistan, Greece and even Philippines, protesters vex say di US move na big push wey don scatter di Israel-Iran wahala more. Di protesters say dem no support di strike and dem fear say e go cause more fight for Middle East. Israel military don tok say dem don launch airstrikes on at least 6 airports for western, eastern and central Iran. For post wey dem drop for X Hebrew account, dem say dem use remote aircraft to destroy 15 Iranian planes and helicopters. Di airports wey dem mention include Tehran, Mehrabad, Mashhad and Desfo. Dem also claim say di strike scatter runway, underground bunkers and F-14, F-5 plus AH-1 aircraft wey belong to Iran. According to dem, di aim na to stop Iran Air Force from to fly or to use those airports for any military operations. One expert wey sabi arms control matter, Mark Fitzpatrick, don tok say as US don bomb Iran now, e no go shock anybody if Iran comot from di UN Nuclear Treaty (NPF) and start to chase nuclear weapon fully. E tell reporters say Iran don already get di skill and di material to build bomb, dem just never do am. But now, e say no reason remain for dem to hold back again. Fitzpatrick still tok say Iran fit push all dia energy enter di program, remove UN inspectors and go full speed with nuclear weapon plan. E believe say Iran fit complete di work within 1 year, even though some top scientists wey suppose lead di team don die. But e add say Iran still get other trained hands and dem don hide more than 400 kg of uranium wey already reach 60% enrichment. E just near 90%, wey be wetin dem need for nuclear bomb. Di expert believe say if Iran bring out those uranium cylinders plus fix new centrifuges, dem fit reach weapon-level uranium very soon. Iran Deputy Foreign Minister Majid Ravanchi don tok say Iran go still remain loyal to the UN Treaty of the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons NPF. As e tell news agency, Iran go dey continue to enrich uranium but only for peaceful reasons like energy, even as US and Israel dey accuse Iran say dem wan build nuclear bomb wey Iran don deny plenty times. US still join Israel bomb Iran military and nuclear places on Sunday. Dis one happen when Iran dey negotiate with US and Europe powers, but Ravanchi don vex say as dem dey bomb dem, e no make sense to dey talk again. E tok say dem no dey negotiate just to dey talk. Iranian news agency don report say Mohammed Amin Mahdavi Shayesteh don chop hanging after court find am guilty say e dey work with Israel spy agency Mossad. Dem describe Shayesteh as oga for one cyber team wey dem claim say dey linked to Mossad. Iran security pipo bin arrest am late 2023. Since Israel begin attack Iran on March 13, at least 3 pipo wey Iran accuse say dem dey spy for Israel don face execution. One died on June 16, another one on July 22nd, and now the latest one. Human rights groups still dey complain say Iran dey do these executions without proper legal process and say people no get fair trial. But Iranian authorities never stop. Media no fit verify the spy accusations independently. At least 4 people don die after Russia fire missiles and drones waka enter Ukraine capital Kyiv overnight. Interior Minister Ihor Klimenko tok say dem bomb residential areas, hospitals and even sport facilities. One big building for Shevchenkivsky district collapsed. People still dey under the debris. For the wider Kyiv region, another woman died and 2 others injured. Ukraine emergency team say 13 people wounded, including 2 pikin and 1 pregnant woman. Video from the scene show people wey shock as fire still dey burn for inside damaged building. Some metro stations sef collect heat and plenty people hide inside underground stations throughout the night. Russia never talk anything about the attack, but dem don dey bomb Kyiv heavy for recent weeks. This whole war started since February 2022 when President Vladimir Putin launched full invasion of Ukraine. One new telescope wey dem build for Chile don snap im first clear image and the thing shock scientists. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory dey on top mountain for Chilean Andes and e get the world's most powerful digital camera wey go change how we take understand space. The first picture show colorful gas and dust cloud for where new stars dey form, about 9,000 light years from Earth. Scientists talk say if that 9th planet truly dey our solar system, this telescope go find am in just 1 year. E go also help spot dangerous asteroids wey fit dey come Earth side and map the Milky Way. Dem even believe say e fit help answer the big question about dark matter. The telescope go snap the southern night sky every 3 days for the next 10 years, like continuous filming of space. Professor Catherine Hamens from UK, wey don dey work on dis project for 25 years, say di goal na to track faint galaxies and star explosions wey happen billions of years ago. Di observatory dey inside very dark place, no bright light dey allowed at all. Even di bus wey dey climb di mountain no fit on full headlight for night, and engineers dey make sure say no light leak enter from anywhere. The telescope use 3 mirror system to capture sharp images. Any small dust for mirror fit affect photo quality. The Vera Rubin camera go dey snap 1 picture every 40 seconds for 8 to 12 hours every night. Scientists say this one na once in a generation tool to see deep into space and maybe even spot danger wey dey hide for our solar backyard. And the last one for today, Colombia military don talk say civilians for Mike kidnapped 57 of their soldiers for one dangerous mountain area for southern Colombia. Dem say dem bin kidnap 31 soldiers on Saturday and 26 more on Sunday by over 200 civilians wey dem believe say dey act under pressure from FARC rebel group people wey no follow the 2016 peace deal. Brigadier General Federico Abeta confirm say na 4 officers and 53 soldiers dey among those wey dem seize. E tok straight say dis one na clear kidnapping. Local tori say na EMC rebel group The biggest faction of FARC fit don give the order to nab the soldiers, but EMC never talk anything yet. The Mekekeyan area na hot zone for cocaine production and smuggling. Na from there dem dey move drugs go Pacific ports before dem ship am go other countries illegally. The area still dey hot with rebel wahala despite peace talk years back. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Godfrey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.